Most electric vehicles are equipped with an onboard charger. Onboard chargers convert AC power from the grid into DC power to charge the main battery. It offers a range of output power, voltage, and feature options. The future of 400-volt battery electric vehicles demands compact, efficient, and cost-effective onboard chargers that support vehicle-to-grid functionality and can accommodate diverse global grid voltages. To address these evolving market needs, onsemi introduces an 11-kilowatt matrix converter-based onboard charger reference design. This reference design incorporates the latest advancements in power electronic system design for onboard charging. The reference design can accommodate both single-phase and three-phase global power inputs, operating within a wide voltage range of 280 to 450 volt DC. By combining our system expertise with advanced power device technologies, we have developed a compact and robust onboard charger design. Our design achieves peak efficiency, exceeding 97% in a liquid-cooled package, with a power density greater than 3 kilowatts per liter. This design also reduces the charger size by 50%. onsemi employed matrix converter topology for this reference design. This approach reduces the component count of the onboard charger by combining the PFC and isolation into one single stage. The matrix topology reduces system volume and weight by eliminating numerous passive components due to its single-stage nature. This approach offers higher efficiency, improved reliability, simplified assembly, and lower assembly costs. The design utilizes 650-volt EliteSiC MOSFETs in the latest top-cooled surface mount device package, the T2 pack, enabling a single-stage AC to DC converter with galvanic isolation for optimized system design. Traditional power surface mount packages push heat through the PCB, which creates a thermal obstacle, raising temperatures and limiting power dissipation. T2 pack solves this by moving heat directly into the system's heatsink, improving thermal performance and protecting surrounding components. This enables better power dissipation and higher power density in a more compact design. Thanks to the T2 pack top cool package technology, onsemi's M3S EliteSiC MOSFET delivers exceptional performance for hard switching applications. Our isolated gate driver is optimized to maximize the performance of EliteSiC MOSFETs. onsemi employed a smart capacitor in the demonstration design. This approach actively filters the double-line frequency, significantly improving capacitor utilization and reducing the volume of the DC side filter by 50%. Learn how to optimize onboard charging with our 11-kilowatt demonstration design.